Hi my friend, how are you today? So today I've got the same croissant that I made 3 days ago. So 3 days ago I start with this dough, with making the dough from scratch, okay? And then I've got this beautiful croissant made from fresh ferments, the same ferments that I made for the sourdough, and with butter, eggs, milk, flour, okay? I've got this beautiful croissant, and then I kept them in fridge. So yesterday I baked them, and I've got this. As you can see, they are beautiful, they keep the shape, but you know, they were under leavened, so they were not ready to be baked. Okay, they were not ready to be baked. In fact, when I sliced them in the middle like this, as you can see, they still have a lot to prove. Okay, they still have a lot of way to go. Okay, this one, but this morning, and I proved them in an ambient that was under 30 degrees. So it was warm, but not really nice and moist. You need moisture and you need a warm ambient, okay? So this morning, I baked this. It's the same croissant, okay? Same batch of this one, the same. They are the same, okay? These are the same. But you know what? I changed the temperature of the ambient where they were proven, okay? So stay with me. So now I'm gonna cut this, okay? And let's see how is this one. And so I give a nice proofing. This one I baked yesterday, and is more soft than what I've done yesterday. Yesterday was still raw inside. This one, yeah, this one is perfect. This is the way it comes. Nice. Yeah. Okay. This is the new proving and baking. This was yesterday. Was not ready to be baked. And this is my dough made from scratch. And these are the croissants that I made. Okay, enjoy your day. Giuseppe, private chef.